Hey, what is up everyone, this is Ken here. Welcome back again to TechCurrent YouTube channel. EnSynOS 6.1, which is one of the most customizable custom ROMs right now based on Android version 12, is now officially rolled out for the Mir Tool device like Redmi Note 9 Pro, Pro Max, Poco M2 Pro, Redmi Note 9s. These devices will get this update. If you want to install this, you can install from the manual. Things like custom recovery, things look quite good. This is based on Android version 12, which we are talking about. The default UI etc seems to be same here. In the terms of customizations, EnSynOS 6.1 is just great. Some UI changes are quite interesting, some are quite useful, some are actually kind of boring. But yes, it's all about preferences. If you want to use it, you can. I will provide you the link in the description. Installation is quite simple. You can see the advanced reboot option is also present here for you. Other tiles where you can add or remove the tiles if you want to, and adding or removing tiles is not so tricky. It's quite simple. You don't need to drag and drop. You simply need to click, the tile will be added. If you want to disable it from there or remove it from there, simply one click and you are good to go. Separate Wi-Fi and mobile data tiles are also present here. Camera access, mic access, all the features which you want, is everything is available here for you. So it looks good, and I think so it's good enough to use on your device. It's Android version 12. I will still not recommend you because this is still in initial stage. I'm getting some issues, so that's why I will not recommend you to use it as your daily driver if this is your primary device. But it's up to you. If you want to use it, you can. Unfortunately, that Pixel launcher is still included. I mean, EnSynOS is quite great in the terms of customization, so at least they should include a launcher. It's just my opinion. At least launcher, because of some customizations and UI changes. Now the default camera section, where you can see the default camera is the Google Camera Go edition. It's good. At least it's far more better than the normal Snap cameras. So yes, the Google Camera Go edition is included here, which is good. And you can even use the normal Google camera if you want to. Google Camera mode videos, a lot of videos are already available on our channel, so make sure to check out those. Other things, one thing what I saw, that if you want to check out the DRM L1 status, that if your device has L1 support or not, unfortunately for me it's not present. Of course, I did install firmware yet, but I think so it's not present here for me. But I don't use it, I don't care much, because I don't use Amazon Prime Video or Netflix much, even not once. So yes, it's not a big issue for me. Safeness status is actually a major thing, and if this is not passing for you, that could be a bad thing. But don't worry, the safeness status is actually passing here for me. Let me show you by clicking on run test. And by the way, I didn't rooted my device from Magisk. If you want to root, you can, but after rooting your device, you simply need to hide it from Magisk if you want to pass the safeness status. And I'm not sure if it is still passing for you or not, but a custom ROM without root is still not a bad choice. Install it, safeness status is passing for you, which means you'll be able to use banking apps on your device. There might not be any issue for you. Other things or customizations or things like this, kind of same. UI, of course, a lot of UI changes included in the EnSynOS 6.1 update, what I saw after installing Android 12. By the way, I made a video on this UI changes after maybe before some time, but it's almost same. They didn't edit the face lock or app lock yet, but yes, we are hoping for it very soon. Other things, yes, this is a Redmi Note 10 Pro, which means Mir Tool device feature is that Xiaomi parts is included here for you, which is quite useful. So if it is there, it's good. Some customizations are also included, like status bar customizations here for you. Theming, which means if you don't want monet theming, you can disable it if you want to, which is also useful. Some other customizations, some basic customizations are here for you. If you want to give it a try, you can. As I previously mentioned you, for customizations, EnSynOS right now is the most customizable custom ROM what I saw so far. Other things, let me show you the quick settings tiles customization. If you enable this option, you will see the quick setting tiles will look like this, which is of course not looking good honestly, but this one is looking good. And it's just my opinion that this thing looks good, but it's all about you. If you don't want to use it, you can. The things are quite optional for you. Ancient things full with notifications, a lot of things included. If you want to install this build, how you can install this? Of course, install this build, format data, and you're good to go. There are no special instructions while installing this. I'm not showing the installation instructions. Very simple thing. You can use OrangeFox Custom Recovery. You can use CWRP, but I recommend you using OrangeFox Custom Recovery. These were things I just want to let you know. If you want to install this, link is in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye. Take care of yourself.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.